Sponsored by VSK Business Consultant, the 12th of August 2025. Today's special news for job seekers in India. Based on the latest reports and trends for 2025, here is a detailed breakdown of the demand for job seekers in India, covering both freshers and experienced professionals. This information is for knowledge purposes only and is subject to market fluctuations. Demand for freshers. The demand for freshers, 0 to 3 years of experience, is showing strong growth, with an 11% increase in hiring in June 2025, according to an online report. The key to success for freshers lies in acquiring specialized skills that align with current industry needs. Key growth sectors. Accounting and finance. This sector is leading the non-tech hiring surge for freshers, with a 34% rise in jobs. IT and tech. While some traditional IT roles are seeing a slowdown, there's a huge demand for freshers with skills in emerging technologies. Insurance. The insurance industry is a major driver of fresher recruitment. Hospitality and travel. This sector is bouncing back and showing a 21% year-on-year increase in job creation. Most in-demand roles. AI and machine learning specialists. Data analysts and scientists. Software developers, especially with skills in Python, Java. Digital marketing specialists. Chartered accountants. Important trends. Skills over degrees. Employers are increasingly focusing on practical skills and certifications rather than just academic qualifications. Tier 2 city growth. Cities like Coimbatore and Kochi are emerging as new hiring hubs for freshers, with a significant surge in recruitment. Startups. Startups, especially in Pune and Bengaluru, are actively hiring fresh talent, with some banking and finance startups increasing their hiring by 30%. Demand for experienced professionals. The market for experienced professionals is also highly dynamic, with a particularly strong demand for those with specific, high-level skills. Mid to senior level growth. Professionals with 4 to 7 years of experience are seeing the highest growth in demand at 15%. Hiring for those with 8 to 12 years of experience grew by 13%. There is also a strong demand for senior professionals with over 13 years of experience, particularly in the real estate and pharma, biotech sectors. Highest demand roles. AI and milliliter specialists. Demand for these roles has surged by 75%, making them a top priority for companies across all sectors. Cybersecurity experts. With increasing digital threats, there is a major need for security analysts and ethical hackers. India alone is expected to need over 1 million cybersecurity professionals by 2026. Cloud DevOps engineers. As businesses move to the cloud, professionals who can manage cloud infrastructure and development operations are in high demand. Renewable energy engineers and ESG experts. The push for sustainability is creating new roles in green energy and environmental compliance. Important trends. Upskilling is essential. The Future of Jobs Report 2025 from the World Economic Forum indicates that without urgent intervention, rapid skill obsolescence could be a major issue. Many roles are being restructured due to AI and automation, making reskilling a necessity. Shift in focus. Companies are looking for experienced professionals who can not only perform technical tasks but also demonstrate creative thinking, resilience, and adaptability.